Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 7th class, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do exercise number 2 of our allocated grammatical portion at page number 119. So take out your books and open page 119. In the previous lecture which I delivered the day before yesterday, we studied abstract nouns and concrete nouns. But today our topic of discussion is abstract noun. As you know, abstract noun is a noun that cannot be touched but felt. ऐसा इसम जिसे महसूस किया जा सके लेकिन छुआ ना जा सके. We are going to do exercise 2A first. Form abstract nouns from these adjectives. इन एडजेक्टिव से इसमें सिफत से abstract noun बनाइए. You are given 10 different adjectives and you need to form abstract nouns from those. If you look at first adjective, it is kind, meherban. So we are going to form kindness, meherbani from it. As you know, kindness just can be felt. किसी की मेहरबानी को सिर्फ महसूस किया जा सकता है. सो इट इज़ योर राइट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सिंसियर, मुखलिस. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म सिंसेरिटी फ्रॉम इट, मुखलिसपन. एज यू नो, सिंसियरिटी जस्ट कैन बी फेल्ट. इसे सिर्फ महसूस किया जा सकता है. सो इट इज़ योर राइट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन formed from sincere. Poor, gharib. So we will form poverty from it. If you have a person in front of you in rags, उसकी गुर्बत को आप सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं. So it is your right abstract noun formed from poor. Cruel, zalim. So we are going to form cruelty, सफाकियत. क्रूल मीन जालिम और क्रूल्टी मीन जुल्म. एंड क्रूल्टी जस्ट कैन बी फेल्ट. सो इट इज़ योर राइट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. फॉल्स, झूठा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म फॉल्सहुड फ्रॉम इट. फॉल्सहुड, झूठ. फॉल्सहुड जस्ट कैन बी फेल्ट. इट कैन नॉट बी टच्ड. सो इट इज़ योर राइट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. Turn to 6 adjective. Grateful, शुक्रगुजार. So we are going to form gratitude from it, tashakkur. Gratitude can be felt, not touched. In this way we formed gratitude abstract noun from grateful. Now turn to 7th option, human, insan. Now we are going to form humanity from it. As you know, humanity, insaniyat just can be felt, not touched. So it is your right abstract noun formed from human. Turn to option number 8. It is wide, chauda. Students do math and they really know about it. Width, don't pronounce it width, it is width, chaudai. As you know, width just can be felt, not touched. So it is your right abstract noun formed from adjective wide. Scarce, kalil, killat hona. We are going to form scarcity from it. Killat, it just can be felt, not touched. So it is your right abstract noun formed from scarce adjective. Last, mature, pukhta. We are going to form maturity from it. So it is your abstract noun. Now we turn to exercise number 2B. In this particular exercise you are given 8 different kinds of verbs, and you need to form abstract nouns from these also. First word is think, sochna. It is verb, so we are going to form abstract noun from it. So think would change into thought, सोच. आप जानते हैं किसी की सोच को महसूस किया जा सकता है, उसे छुआ नहीं जा सकता. सो इट इज़ योर राइट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सक्सीड, कामयाब होना. इट विल टर्न इनटू, चेंज इनटू सक्सेस. कामयाबी, किसी की कामयाबी और नाकामी को महसूस किया जा सकता है, उसे छुआ नहीं जा सकता. सो इट इज़ योर राइट काइंड ऑफ abstract noun formed from the verb succeed. Combine, मिलाना. We are going to form combination from it. मिलाप. Free, आज़ाद होना. So we are going to form freedom from it. किसी की आज़ादी को सिर्फ महसूस किया जा सकता है. It cannot be touched, so it is your right form of abstract noun from the verb free. Advise, नसीहत करना. So we are going to form abstract noun from it, and that is advice, नसीहत. Flatter, खुशामद करना. Flattery mean खुशामद. किसी की खुशामद को जस्ट महसूस किया जा सकता है. इट कैन नॉट बी टच्ड, सो इट इज़ योर राइट फॉर्म ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ब फ्लैटर. हेट, नफरत करना. इट विल चेंज इनटू हेट्रेड. फाइनली प्लीज़, खुश होना. इट विल चेंज इनटू प्लेजर, खुशी. As you know, pleasure just can be felt but not touched. It is the end of my lecture. In the end, I must say that start learning these exercises regarding abstract nouns and concrete nouns, so that you may get good marks in your assessment sheets. Thank you very much. Bye bye.